This video I created in Higgsfield went viral on TikTok. The reason why this video looks so natural is because I didn't let AI just guess the movement. I used a real TikTok video as the motion reference and transferred that movement onto an image that I created. First, I found a TikTok video that was pretty viral already. I wanted clear body motion and a visible pose, because if the reference video is messy, the final video would be messy too, and we didn't want that. Next, I created the image in Nano Banana. The first pose I got wasn't exactly what I wanted. Instead of regenerating everything, I used edits. I kept the character and the environment. I only changed the pose. Now I switched to clean motion control. This is where I uploaded two things: the image and the reference video. Clean uses the reference video to guide the motion. It's not perfect, but it's way more intentional than random animation. This keeps the timing and movement direction grounded in reality. That's why the motion feels more natural and why it looks better on TikTok. It took about 5 minutes to render, and after that, I exported it as a 1080p and uploaded it as is. No over editing, no extra effects. This isn't about perfect AI. It's about real motion to guide it. That's what made this video work. So to recap, we found a video that was already gaining popularity on TikTok. We created a strong starting frame using Nano Banana. We adjusted the pose instead of regenerating by just simply selecting edit. Then we used clean motion control to transfer that real movement from a reference video onto an image. That's it. No guessing. If you have questions about any step or want the exact prompts I use, leave a comment below and I'll respond. Till next time, y'all. Peace.